breath, get half of it out, and squeeze.
Oh, whose truck that was?
See? Oh my god, that's why I went behind the... He warned you too! Oh no.